Let's talk about the migration strategies to the cloud. Cloud migration is an essential process that enables organizations to move their applications, data, and infrastructure to the cloud, providing improved scalability, reliability, and cost-effectiveness. However, migrating to the cloud can be a daunting task, and organizations need to consider various migration strategies to ensure a successful transition. In this video, we will explore the 5 main migration strategies to the cloud. Number 1. Rehosting, lift and shift. Rehosting, also known as lift and shift, involves moving an application from on-premises to the cloud without making any significant changes to the application architecture. The application is migrated to the cloud in its existing form, which includes the application code, data, and middleware. Number 2. Refactoring, replatforming. Refactoring, also known as replatforming, involves making some changes to the application architecture before moving it to the cloud. The application is modified to make use of the cloud services and features to improve performance, scalability, and security. Number 3. Rearchitecting, rebuilding. Rearchitecting, also known as rebuilding, involves redesigning the application architecture from scratch to take full advantage of cloud services and features. This strategy requires a complete overhaul of the application, including redesigning the code and infrastructure. Number 4. Retiring, eliminating. Retiring, also known as eliminating, involves removing an application or component that is no longer required. This strategy can help organizations reduce costs and simplify their IT infrastructure. Number 5. Retaining, keeping on premises. Retaining, also known as keeping on premises, involves keeping an application or component on premises and not migrating it to the cloud. This strategy can be suitable for applications that require high levels of security or compliance. Let's summarize all migration strategies. Migrating to the cloud can be a complex and challenging process, and organizations need to consider various migration strategies to ensure a successful transition. Rehosting, refactoring, rearchitecting, retiring, and retaining are the 5 main migration strategies to the cloud, each with its own advantages and best practices. By understanding these migration strategies and implementing the best practices, organizations can effectively and efficiently migrate their applications, data, and infrastructure to the cloud, providing improved scalability, reliability, and cost-effectiveness. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.